This is my review of a Milliput. It's probably one of the most useful things that I have on my modelling table, but I also have several packets out in the workshop for all sorts of other things. Other things? This is what they say on the box. Model making, sculpting, boat repairs, car body repairs, repairs for petrol tanks, batteries, radiators, exhausts, plumbing and household repairs. It is really, really useful. It's made in Wales. It's an epoxy putty, and as they say, it molds like putty, but then it sets like rock. And inside the packet, this is the original version. There are some new versions. You get the two putties that you mix together. So you chop off an equal amount of this one and an equal amount of this one. It's best to wear gloves when you do it. And then you mix them together, mold it into the shape that you want, and then you leave it to set. Once it's set rock hard, you can drill it, sand it, shave it, cut it, whatever you want to do with it. But it is then rock hard, and it is very adhesive. It will stick to almost anything. So I use it in my modelling work for making bases on some of the figures I have, just to give a bit more shape or more texture, or if it didn't quite sit there properly, and also on bigger terrain pieces like this Viking little house and farm. And you can build up different things or different areas, just give it a bit more height, or actually make a water barrel or some rocks if you don't have that particular thing that you need. I found building this house, it didn't quite fit together exactly, so I then put some Milliput in there as well. Now, as mentioned, this is the original, but it was so popular that they now start making different versions of it. There's a white, a black, terracotta, a turquoise colour, and silver grey. So if you're, say, putting some, fixing a chip on a piece of china, it would be very useful for that. You can choose the appropriate colour, or you can just use the basic colour and paint it, but having those different ones is good. So highly recommend it. Everyone should have it and play around with it and see what you like. As they say, it molds like putty and it sets like rock. Milliput.